Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to know who is stalking you on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's delve into the video. The first thing that I want you to do is open your Facebook app and log into your account if you have not already. So the thing here is you'll be able to see the one who's stalking you only if your Facebook account is switched to professional mode. So let's turn on the professional mode at first. To turn on the professional mode, once you've logged in your Facebook, go to your home page, tap on the three dotted like icon present right beside the edit profile. Look for turn professional mode on, tap on it and then turn it on. Once you've turned it on, go back to your profile and then select See Dashboard. Scroll down and tap on Professional Mode Guide, then tap Insights. Here, go for View Insights. Now select See Details. After that, you will see Profile Visits. Tap on it and that's it. You will there see the list of the person who stalks your profile. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.